Hey, good morning, everyone. So I woke up to this morning. Dog always has me up 3:30 now. It's getting earlier and earlier every day. I came home to Dodge had the little shade thing up where the trailer used to be. So I was coming out to drink coffee, and Jack was stuck in the gate. He got out of his pen, and he has to be tied because he can't behave himself. So, yeah, I had to get him unstuck from the gate, and now he's out roaming, eating, which is fine, but he doesn't let me anywhere near him because he thinks he's going to get caught. He's our only goat left, and we just love him. But he's very destructive. And Ed Earl is following him around and staying at safe distances, but he's just watching. So you kind of see, I don't know if you can see them or not. Ed Earl and, Ed Earl's over here. I don't know, I can't tell. Got the phone turned. Anyway, so yeah, morning coffee with the goat, the dogs, the cat in the chair. It's beautiful out here. We had a hog. A couple nights ago, we had a 200 or 300 pound hog walk through the property, which we were sitting out here. We've got so much work to do. Now that the trailer's gone, we can start, he got the weed eater done, so now we can start clearing land. Can't use the mower on the land yet because there's so many rocks that it just destroys them. So he's weed eating everything, burning piles, so we're putting a circular driveway in, which that's going to be really cool because then people can get in and out of here. That will be right there. And then our house will be on the other side of the propane tank. And then, yeah, we're kind of moving forward. We haven't started on house yet, which makes me sad, but there's extra material that we need that just can't be done yet. Silly goat. Anyway, just thought I'd sit out here and visit with you guys during my morning coffee. I haven't been able to do that lately. My hair's a mess. Bed hair, don't care. I think we've got plenty of work to do today. It's my first day off in a long time. So we'll enjoy it. Catch you a little bit later, guys.